right, team. Hey, Chuck with Traders War Room. Guys, it's your Sunday motivator. We got a lot to cover. The Chiefs just got done been football crazy tonight. So we're going to go ahead and get cracking and get this over with. Guys, real quick, while I have you here, this screen right here, this is where you can go to check out Traders War Room LLC and all of our products and services that we have. If you're not a TWR premium member, I highly suggest because we have truly something for everyone, all sorts of platform. We got the penny stock platform. We got a text messaging platform, which is fantastic. We also have the 3 tiers of the Discord right here. You got your basic, you got your pro, and you got your elite. And then we have the instant message platform on the Telegram. All the links are in the description to include our website, which of course is completely intuitive. You can find everything here on the website as well, to include our trading university, which is fantastic. It mimics that of online education. So when you do a TWR University course, you get placed into a virtual classroom and completely intuitive, man. I mean, we put a lot of eggs into this basket. We wanted to make it so that it was like the online colleges that I do. And I think we got a fantastic product. So if you're truly wanting to really invest in your trading and investing journey, this is the way you do it, man. You get into the books and you do formal classes like this. We also have regular classes that you can do from historical that are, hour to 2 hour long lecture type classes on various topics and stuff. So truly something for everyone. But we're not going to get into that, man. Like I said, we got a huge week of earnings coming up this week, plus moving into earnings next week. And so without further ado, man, we're going to go ahead and just start getting into it. So give me one moment.
SPY needs to hold ground or potentially face breakdown out of the box. Red and blue arrows are where I think levels need to meet to give trend continuation for longs and shorts. Same idea with the Q, but being megatech heavy earnings will be a key focus as all the big boys post here this week. Same idea with blue and red arrows for trend confirmation. The Russell has been stubborn and we need strongholds over battle zone in order to make run towards $200. If earnings are in line and Fed news is dovish, then I think the broadening will ramp this U. So FI has earning Monday, and if bank earnings continue to trend, this should do okay. So cautiously optimistic and looking for a run, but not afraid to buy the dip on underwhelming report. Pfizer has earnings and is expected to underwhelm, but on a surprise this could get a boost. So our Q on direction is volume either buying or selling. So we'll watch for indicators for trend plays. UPS has earnings and I'm expecting a fail and a move lower. I'll be looking for a pop in 2 and then the drop through. So I'll be looking for short entry. Marathon will be interesting as with a drone strike killing soldiers overseas has increased the oil demand and fear. Earnings should be okay, but a catalyst for higher prices is needed. Fear of war always drives oil prices up, so this and others like Exxon, CVX, and PSX, which also have earnings this week, should be on your radar. Microsoft has had a killer run and could extend as it's shown a path to monetizing AI. But with killer runs, these mega caps are primed for profit taking and lower levels. AMD has had an incredible run recently, but is susceptible to lower levels just like the megas from profit taking. The question will be whether earnings reflect their current premium in price, so I'm staying a cautious bull with these that have been on a tier. Google, like others, have made massive moves of late, but antitrust litigation and profit-taking weigh heavy on further push. As with other big boys, I remain the cautious bull ready to follow the trend. Starbucks has been getting some negative press and their consumers aren't happy with recent changes. China numbers play a huge role on their earnings and are likely to underwhelm, so I'm thinking short first and long as a surprise. BA will be key for the Dow. Their recent issues are costing a lot, and they need to destroy earnings to earn their above $215 price, otherwise we're thinking sub 200. MasterCard I think will get similar results to Visa. With recent drop I think this is ready for a breakout. Okay, so Tesla has sucked recently and is on watch for a move. A break out of top and bottom range will make for a strong trend move. I am bullish for a push higher to regain some of the dump. Apple or the General has boots on the ground this week for the battle, and expectations is lower revenue, but any mention of forward guidance point towards positive revenue will make this explode, so we'll watch and target is $200. Amazon is an analyst pick for 2024. High target is a push towards $165, but recent moves could cause selling pressure to come in and lower this below 150. Meta is another one to watch with potential of higher move, but the threat of selling pressure. I think this pushes above $400 where strong resistance should be seen for a drop due to profit taken.
Alright team, that's a wrap. Check out TWR's platform and come get some. Remember, scared money don't make money. You gotta have a plan and a strategy. Gotta be able to control your emotions. Stay calm, cool, and collected. And as always, if you're ready, follow me and let's go to war.
In the traders war room, warring with the market every day we on Zoom. Never gonna quit, ain't no way we gonna lose. I done made a profit and it's way before noon. Way to go, dude, come and learn how to trade stocks. We rentless with the attack when this thing pop. We market warriors and we can share the same pot. I woke up and went to war in my tank top. Thanks, Pops, he a analyst, a veteran. And we ain't hating on them other dudes, we better than. I was down and then I learned about leveraging. And after that, I ain't never went red again. Green, right? It ain't bad, it just seemed like something wrong with you if you say we ain't tight. Get in and get out before you think twice. Let's have a toast, you bring the drinks and I'll bring ice. Defeat's nice in the traders war room. What you wanna do in the traders war room?